Alright, let's make this amazing cabbage with shrimp, sausage, peppers, and onions. Start by dicing your cabbage and rinsing well. Now dice your sausage, peppers, and onions. In a hot pan, place some olive oil and saute your sausage until brown. Remove your sausage from the pan. Now place your onions and peppers into the pan and saute for a few minutes. Now season with a little salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme, paprika, and a little cayenne pepper. Throw a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce and a couple of dabs of liquid smoke. Saute for a few minutes. Now place your cabbage on top. Mix your cabbage in with the peppers. Now place your sausage over the top. Add 1 cup of chicken broth. Now cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid, give it a good stir, then cover again for another 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, place about 2 pounds of shrimp over the top, stir the shrimp in, and cover for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now you're ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.